In this video, we're going to show you how to install the camshaft position sensor on your Hyundai Elantra located on the top of your engine. Now with the hood open, we want to go ahead and remove our engine cover here. You're going to gently grab the corners. Lift up. When you pull this up, you have these sockets right here, the rubber sockets that you're pulling off of the metal studs. Go ahead and set that aside. So right here on the valve cover, you're going to notice this sensor right here, and then there's one right in the back. So we have an intake cam position sensor and an exhaust cam position sensor. They're both the same, and you're going to use a 10mm socket to loosen and remove the bolt. We're going to be reusing that bolt. And if you want to, you can always disconnect the connector first. This is just something that I'll do, is pop this off, pinch, and then pop that connector off. Take your new sensor, work that down inside. Now sometimes if it seems like it's stuck, you can put a thin coat of oil on that O-ring that seals it to the valve cover. Go ahead and get that bolt started and snug that down. Just snug it. Go ahead and grab that connector, line that back up, and push it on. You're going to feel in here engage. Now if you need to, you can go ahead and repeat this process for the one right behind it, right underneath this hose. You'll be able to just move this hose out of the way and get to it. You can use a wrench. If you want to, disconnect the hose, slide that off, and then you have direct access as well. But it's the same process for the rear one than it is the forward one. Install the engine cover, placing the ball studs in each of the rubber grommets. Normally you can locate the two rubber grommets on the front with your hands. Lower it down. Once you line them up, press them down, and then the two back ones will automatically line up. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.